Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Cadillac XTS Premium, stock number Z7351XA. Only 30,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crystal red in color. The XTS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers, rear climate, as well as heated outboard seats. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors for additional safety. Large trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 14-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, power adjustable tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read, customizable dash. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert. Heated leather wrap steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large Q touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. Whoops. Navigation to get you where you need to go. Dual zone temperature with separate rear heat and air. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio and climate, along with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this XTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 304 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size sedan with over 300 horsepower. EPA average 17 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more information about this XT5, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.